Okay, I'm here in the middle of the painting. You can see some paddy field and long trees in a far distance. On the left side, you can see some trees here. Now I'm going to take the white color and do some details of the branches and the sceneries. So for the trees, you can see just drawing some white color. Okay. There's the outlines of the trees here in a perspective. You can see as we go from a distance, the size of the trees becomes smaller, and if we come nearer, the size of the things becomes bigger. Okay, so the trees which are in a far distance that are smaller, you can see from the drawings. Okay, and there's the date palm trees in a distance. Okay, there's the thing. All right, so we can mix it with a separate color for the the branches. We are going to do the details with a different color which has a very wood-like impact, wood-like presentation. So you can see just with the color white, I'm just putting the wooden color to show the trees more lively. Okay. All right, so on the top you are going to see, and some details I'm going to put also for the trees which is the far distance. Okay. And the village, there's a nice color. There's the field. All right, now for the green borders, let's add some white colors and just make the borders more interesting. That's why I'm putting some water on it and just drawing the borders like this. You can see the long strokes here. Okay, and other strokes. All right, just to use the border lines a little brighter. Okay, so you can see the border lines. That's it, looking good. And the skyline here, that's going to be the little bit white. For that drawing, I'm going to use a separate types of brush. Okay, a bigger brush. The previous brush was the smaller. All right, so just putting the white colors all over the sky and making it lighter color. Adding some water and putting the white color all over the places. So that's why it has a little bit focus on the top. Okay, just putting some other colors in the middle of the the fields. Let's put some the yellow color in the middle of the fields. Before that, we are adding water and just putting a single strokes just to define the same thing in the middle. All right. So basically the thing is that when you do some paintings, the color combinations comes in some multiple stages. So in the beginning stage you put the basic colors, and in other stages you just do the details and make the drawings more lively. That's the idea. Okay, and I hope the drawing which I just completed, you have followed all the things, drawings, instructions. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to get the updates. Thank you very much. Have a good day.